on behalf of Grade 3 to lead you all through today's assembly. Prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So let's start our assembly with the presence of God. Prayer song by boys and girls of Grade 3. Every morning brings us new thought, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Harsha Sahu of Grade 3 for sharing thoughts for the day. Here comes our Anish of Grade 3 to share new vocabulary. Pledge is a way to show your love and respect towards national. So be ready for pledge. Let's have Jeshna Vasiki of Grade 3 to deliver the pledge. Next, let's hear 5 points on Seva and Environment by Elena Jessica of Grade 3. Newspaper informs us what is happening around us in the whole world. So to review the happenings of yesterday, here comes Ishan Raghav for reading today's news. Now let's listen to a short but informative speech on pollution by Daksha of Grade 3. Next we have Ananya of Grade 3 for sharing to talk about global warming. Here we have Siddharth of Grade 3 who is going to ask few GK questions based on computers. Today, Elena of Grade 5 is celebrating her birthday. Let's wish her. Now, may I request our CEO Principal Sir to address the gathering. May I request our Dean Senior Principal Ma'am to address the gathering. Let's conclude today's assembly with our national anthem. May I request all to stand in attention and sing